Hi guys, Luke here from Power-Tec. Today I'm going to talk to you about our Adhesion Pro kit you may have seen advertised. First, I'm going to go and put a glue pad onto this panel, and I'll explain why in a moment. Clean the panel, and I'm just going to use our battery powered glue gun that's included in the kit. I'm going to load up this tab, and I'm going to put it onto the panel here. Okay, and I'll explain why in a moment. Just press that onto the panel, leave that to do its job. Start off with a battery glue gun, which comes in the kit, which comes with a battery and all the glue and some glue sticks with it, which you get more of in the kit. So a few people are asking, what do you get with it? What's all the foam about, and what are the different parts of it? Firstly, we have here the cold glue on top. Reason being, we would start off by roughing out the cold glue. So this tray here has the cold glue kit, slide hammer, your putty here, which is you just warm up, roll in your hand, make sure your hands are clean, of course. You've got different pads. You also have a telescopic hammer with interchangeable heads, which all come in the foam as well, so you just screw those in there. Really popular this is. What we've tried to do is we've tried to get all the most popular lines from the glue collection and put it into one kit. Instead of having 10,000 different lines and just having a massive comprehensive kit, we've tried to look at what people are actually using and what they want. You've also got your T-puller, handy little tool. You've got your scraper, you've got some plastic scraper blades there as well. You'll see here you've got your line board, which will suck onto the panel. This is your bridge puller for the bigger stuff. Use that in conjunction with these tabs inside the kit here. You've also got these, which can be used alongside the pulling tower or your traditional panel repair systems. Next drawer down, you've got your lock and load hot air gun from Laser Tools. Really handy, especially if you're mobile. You've got your infrared temperature checker, thermometer. Again, you'll need that. Next drawer down, you've got your glue spray, which I use to clean the panel, and you also use it to remove the glue afterwards as well. And a starter pack of glue sticks. Bottom is for all your bits and bobs, your spares. Second drawer down on the foams, you've got your puller here. This is a really good selling puller, and as a standalone item, it's been very popular. Comes with the ball and socket feet, which I'll show you here. They just clip on, fully adjustable. This will also rotate, and you can also lean it as well, as you see there on the ball and socket. This will lock off when on the panel. So once you've got this onto the panel and it's loaded, you can spin that, it locks it into position, and then you can go hands-free, and then you can come in with your hammer and you can finish off the job. Okay, they just snap back off, and that goes in there. You've got a load of tabs with the kit. Lots of different tabs here, different shapes for different jobs. And the blue tabs as well that we've been selling for a very long time, still very popular. And this little wind-up puller here, again, great part of the kit. And it just finishes it off nicely. You've got your hole reforming tool, which attaches onto this gun. Again, it's just an addition to the kit, but you'll find that it's handy and you'll definitely use it. That's the kit itself. There's two versions, one with the pulling tower and one without. So if you want to upgrade and get the one with the pulling tower, which is the 92739, you can. And the pulling plate for the pulling tower just stores nicely on the back. There you can see our nice vulcanized rubber plate. If you don't want that and you want to just get the adhesion kit because you've already got one of our pulling towers, you want to go for the 92748 kit. We'll go back over here now and I'll show you this tab here that I glued on. One of the common questions we get asked is, does it stick? You know, people buy glue kits and they'll say, I've tried it and it don't work. It could be a manner of things. It could be the temperature's not right with the glue. It could be the temperature of the panel's not right. It's not clean, etc. But this is just a quick demonstration to show you that we can adhere to the panel using the glue that comes with the kit, the glue gun that comes with the kit, and everything that's supplied with it. This is our slide hammer, which is from the kit on top there that you just seen, with the adapter on, so we can use it with hot glue as well. Obviously, you would never do that to a panel in real life, but I just wanted to demonstrate that it does stick. If the temperature of the panel's right, which in this case it was about 25 to 30 degrees, the glue was coming out the gun at 190. In those circumstances, with a clean panel at the right temperature, it just shows it really does stick. I'm now going to show you how to remove it. This is our solvent removal spray. Good for cleaning, but also good for removing. And if you just pick an edge up there, spray that, you'll see it should come off in one swoop. There you go. There you have it. So that's our Adhesion Pro. If you're interested, get back in touch.